I'm going to give you a quick, easy 4-minute lesson about food. Something that they
We
don't
reward loyalty with loyalty, and we reward disloyalty with distance. I forgive you, but I ain't about to forget and be naive. That's unintelligent.
Don't try to hold me accountable. I play by my own rules. This drag talk, we do what we want to. I'm a bully, the bullies don't lie. I got receipts, llamas activate, put it all on the
What
street.
they don't want you to know is that you can grow a lot of the food that you consume at home. You can grow it with grow lights. You can grow it in containers. You can grow it in your backyard. You can grow it in the ground in a whole garden. People make a living off of the farming industry, and more importantly, these big old companies make a living off of getting those products out off the farm and into your house and padding a bill as they do so. That's how they make a living. That's just the way it is. There are people involved in every step of the food distribution process, okay? Anyway, so just want to show you, this is what strawberry seeds look like when you purchase them from an organic grower online. That's how they send them, at least from who I bought them from. These are non-GMO, but they are not organic. This is the Alpine brand, and if you notice, they have really large seeds on them and kind of like look a little washed out. They don't look as red. These are giant red strawberries. And this is a store strawberry. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys that it came looking like that. I buy my strawberries and I freeze them because I only really use strawberries for salads and shakes. That's it, smoothies. So I don't eat a lot of strawberries particularly. But $5 got me a quarter of a pound of strawberries, and they're not non-GMO or organic. They just regular run-of-the-mill herbicide, fungicide, all that stuff used on them and everything. I want to show you something. On this strawberry is the seeds. Every last indent that you see is a seed. This strawberry was designed by nature to be eaten by something, and the seed to go through the feces of that organism and into the ground to further spread more strawberries. So if you don't want to buy seeds at $3 and $2 and $3 to plant them, get you a thing of strawberries, shave off the seed, each little indent, just shave it off, right? You can still use the rest of the strawberry. Put it on top of the soil that you're going to use as your growing medium. And in about a week and a half, you should have the starts of strawberries. You can literally propagate a lot of food or grow them from seeds. The seeds are useful. There are some produce that you purchase at the store that you can't do anything with but eat. And I'll give you an example of that. Seedless grapes, seedless watermelons. Those are GMO. They literally are off the parent, but not made to reproduce more of the parent. So therefore, grapes, watermelon, anything that says seedless, you won't be able to do anything with. That is solely just for you to eat, okay? But anything that has seeds on it or in it, and it's your favorite product or it's something that you like, your favorite produce, try to grow it. Save one. Off of this one strawberry, you could grow hundreds of strawberry bushes, okay? And they're not very big. So with that being said, think about what you want to grow. Think about what you want to have in your containers, in your garden, in the ground, around your house, etc. And then as you're buying these products, some of them can be frozen, some of them can't. You'll have to do a little research, but you will be able to grow more if you just set the seeds to the side or propagate that particular produce. Anyway, this has been Big Cap. I'm out this bitch.
Bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on, you wouldn't understand. The type of skits I'm on, you wouldn't understand.